Granite mortar and pestle are made of 100% natural granite. All can pass FDA LFGB food test. Stylish granite mortar and pestle with textured mortar interior and comfortable shaped pestle for superior performance. Ideal and easy, crushing a variety of herbs and spices to infuse flavor into food. Every home needs a granite pestle and mortar to make your own delicious pesto, spicy marinades or dressing from scratch. Create delicious life from granite mortar and pestle.